Hello everyone, today I am going to unbox the TD-F9GP. Here's the box, we are going to open it. Here is a user menu, and this is the earpiece and the desktop charger, the typical. Here is the radio itself. It's quite handy, small, can fit into one hand, and quite sturdy for a radio this price. And here is the short antenna. Why do I call it a short antenna? I will show you later. Okay. Here is an extra battery for longer standby time, a belt clip, and a hand strap. This is a hand speaker. Okay, underneath this there is another antenna. This is the long antenna. Is approximately 40.8 inches long. Okay, let's see the radio. You can press this button to adjust the level of the frequency. High, now is high, and press this is medium, and this is low. That's all. Thank you.